పాప వస్తానట్టున్నాను ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయండి వాళ్ళు పోయిందంటే వేసి అసలు 1
Good morning to everyone, respected principal, teacher, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Vishishra. I am studying 4th class. Today is 26th January, the Republic Day of our country. This day is a national festival of our country. On this day, our constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. The Republic Day is a important us as Independence Day. Thank you, Joan. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jagrita. I am studying in 2nd class. First of all, Happy Republic Day to all. Today, I am presenting a role of doctor. A doctor plays a very important role in human life. There are many types of doctors like surgeon, dentist, cardiologist, etc. Doctor test sick people and also give proper advice related to health. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Good morning to all. My name is Nilay. I am studying in 3rd class. Today is 26th January. We are celebrating 76th Republic Day. Republic Day is a great day. It is our national festival. It is a very proud day for us. Thank you to all.
చెప్తారు
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anusha. I am studying 3rd class. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
వస్తుంది
Today
జూమ్
is
చేసిన కదా
26th January. We all celebrated Republic Day. This day is a national festival of India. This day is a great day. Thank you to all. Good morning, everyone. Respected principals and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Akshara, studying 6th standard. First of all, Happy Republic Day. Today is a very special day for our country.
మేడం లైవ్ ఓపెన్ నీ ఫోన్లో లైవ్ ఓపెన్ చేయకుండా వస్తుందా
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharanya. Today is 26th January and we are all celebrate Republic Day. This is a national festival of India. I love my country. This is a 76th Republic Day. We celebrate every year. Today is special day for us. Thank you to all. My name is Shakti. Firstly, I wish you a happy Republic Day. We are celebrating Republic Day in our country. We are celebrated the first Republic Day on 1950 January. We are adopted constitution from America. We are largest democratic country. We love our country very much and proud to be an Indian. And I am